To write a program that basically generates the 10 times multiplication table automatically. We are going to use nested loops. Each loop counts 10 times, and then it generates these x's and these y's for us automatically, and then we can simply print them. Okay. Let me just create another one. Okay. Nested loops example 1. So we don't need to read any information here. We just need to create these x's and these y's automatically using loops and then print them. So all we need to do is two loops that count from 1 to 10, both 1 and 10 inclusive. That means counts from 1 to 11. Because remember, the higher bound of range is excluded. So this loop, this range basically generates numbers from 1 to 10. Then inside it, or let's say just say x for simplicity. Same thing in range, again 1 and 11. Inside that we can just basically print x times y and equal x times y. And that's basically the result. You can see for each x, y counts 10 times. For each x, y counts 10 times. You can see 10 threes, y counts 10 times. Same for 4 and up to 10.